look at this, Asha. Look at this. It looks good. Let me try one, guys. Can you hear that? The crunchy? It's so good. So yummy.
You want more crunchy, little more long time.
It's very crunchy. It's so good, mon amour. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm showing this. We will gonna do unboxing. It's for it's in French. Here, it's Paderno. It's auto drain deep fryer. So we will gonna do unboxing for this, and we will gonna try later on. You can fry. It's a big one. It's a big one, guys. Ito siya, guys. And guys, we already took all the plastic and the box cartons. It's a lot, the styrofoams. So, and this is how it looks, guys. This is inside. Here, guys, you can fry French fries, chicken, and what else? Shrimp, onion rings, donuts, mushroom, fish fillet.
Show the oil. Avocado oil.
And this is the oil that we will gonna using. Is special for this machine, but of course you can use any kind of oil, guys. And this how it looks. And this the settings. If it's already done, you can adjust, you can put it high. And this is the cover. This is the adjustment, the settings for cooking. It's a deep frying pan. And we will gonna try the French fries later. And this is inside. Okay, this one is the lid. This one's the lid. And this one is the basket with removable handle. This is the handle. See, you can remove it and adjust just if it's the cooking is already finished. And this is the control box. This one, guys, this is the control box. You can remove it also. See, this is the control box. And
the timer.
this is the oil tank, the inside, the oil tank. Did you see that? There is it says minimum and maximum. This is the oil tank. See, this is the oil tank. And this is the stainless steel housing.
And inside of the for drain your oil, you know, it's
Yeah, there's for the oil draining.
yes.
Okay, and this is the whole thing.
Vous avez possibilité take off the drain. I don't know. Yeah, possibility, you know. Look.
It's for the oil drainage, so it's filter. It's the filter oil drainage, so it's like you can clean the bad oil. It's separate to go. It goes there. It goes in there. The drainage, and then it goes here. Okay, the drainage goes in here in this hole. Yeah, we're trying it.
$3.54.
Gonna go to it.
Preheat. Now it's right preheat.
Okay, first we're gonna put preheat. Okay, and then we will gonna till the oil gets boil, and then put the basket. We will gonna cook French fries. Then we cover until the oil gets hot. And then there's sounds beep beep when it gets ready. So now the oil is ready. It's hot, hot, hot. Ready, the oil is ready, guys. So here, whoa. The temperature is 375 degrees.
Yeah. And select 375. The first test.
Yeah, it's no cover. No cover muna mo. No need to cover.
You probably got away with the French fries.
Okay, for the French fries, no need to cover. In how many minutes?
Between 8 minutes to 11-12 minutes, right in the book. This French fries is
It's boiling, boiling. You can put the timer. And we put it in 8 minutes, 9 minutes.
yeah,
9 to 10 minutes.
Yes, 1 minute, 30 minutes example inside.
9 to 10 minutes.
Just for check after. It's the test.
It's the trial.
Yes, right, exactly.
This one is the free French fries.
Na frase?
We're using preheat. It's the ready to cook French fries. We're using a frozen French fries, so it's a preheat, guys. It's that's why it's shorter to cook. But if you're cooking the fresh potato, takes more time
Yes.
to cook.
Between 11 and 13 minutes.
Yeah, or like 13 to 15 minutes.
Yes, and the size French fries
Depends
it's
the sizes that you want for your French fries. It's already it's 6 minutes more. Handle side by side, guys. And here it is. It's ready. Look at the color. It, it turns beautifully brown. Wow, look at that. We use the avocado oil and it's perfect with the French fries. The French fries tastes so good with the avocado oil. It's the second batch. We finished the first one, the first batch. With the basket, it's so perfect with the oil draining. It's dry.